We're in Pradera. What's this, right?
Ano? What's this right?
Ano po sasakyan natin?
Welcome to Session Road.
Oh, it's Baguio.
I mean, it's Santa Rosario, Caloocan.
Awa.
Here's our family driver. Liko. There's our umbrella girl.
Golf.
What can you say about your experience?
My first time is about amusement park. Nanakaw like this.
Oh, it's a cow. The cow says, cow yan.
So many hens.
Hello guys.
Puro ka hello. Puro ka intro.
Hello
Uy,
guys.
may dinosaur. Hello.
Oh, there's the monkey. Look guys. There's the monkey.
Monkey din.
And the dinosaur. And that's my lab.
Ang lawak.
Oh, there's a rabbit.
Here we go. See the rat. Hi, rat.
Oh, there's pig.
There's Ichiro.
Oh, there's the it's the zodiac sign. There's the rat. Oh, there's the snake.
Welcome to Alaska.
Oh, there's the snake. Look guys, there's the snake.
A snake. Dinosaur.
Mama para po.
Nah, let's go to church.
Oh, there's a goat. Ano sabi ng goat?
Meme.
One more pa ulit. Ikot, wala na. One more ikot pa, wala na.
Oh, there's a grasshopper.